Welcome children. Today in EVS 1 we are going to learn about changes in the family and neighborhood. Just observe these pictures. In the year 1950 you can see this picture, year 1970, year 1990 and today. Here you can see the number of family members. Sometimes it's an increase or decrease, again increased. Now, each family may have a different number of people. This number does not remain the same. As time passes, it may increase or decrease. Marriage is one reason for such a loss or gain. You may have seen an aunt or a cousin's wife joining your family after getting married, or another aunt or cousin getting married and joining another family. The number of people in a family also changes due to birth and deaths. A family grows when the new generation is born. When members of a family pass away due to reasons like old age, illness, or accidents, the number of its members is reduced. Sometimes children in a family go to other places for their education. Also, some members take up jobs or occupation in other places. Moving from one place to another in order to live there is called migration. Thus, due to migration, marriages, births, and deaths, the number of people in a family goes on changing. It is not only in a family that we see these changes, they occur in the entire society. Birds also migrate. Many birds migrate in search of food and shelter. Have you seen a flock of swans flying in a V formation in the sky? Have you heard about the beautiful flamingos? Every year they migrate from one place to another at a fixed time. Some birds fly far away while others do not go very far. We can see flamingos at several places in Maharashtra between October and March. Birds fly in a flock. Even though they stay together in a flock, they do not have families or neighbors like human beings. From ancient times to the present, the nature of a family has undergone many changes. When man took up agriculture for his livelihood, he settled down in one place. A lot of people are required to do the work needed in agriculture. Therefore, many relations stayed together and formed a big family. As the family grew, it became impossible to feed everyone through farming alone. Trade and other new occupations developed. Cities began to grow. People began to migrate to places where they could find work. Big families were scattered into many small families. In recent years, the number of people going to the other states and countries for work and education has increased greatly. Many families have one of their members living abroad or in another city in our country. Therefore, the family system is also changing. Observe these pictures? What do you see in these pictures? What kind of things do you exchange with your neighbors? Apart from our family, we also have daily contact with our neighbors. We live in the same locality. We need each other's help to solve problems of garbage, security, water, and electricity. In times of need, it is our neighbors who help us till our relatives can reach us. Due to the help we give each other, our relations with our neighbors become friendly. Friendly and harmonious relations make for joyful community life. What we have learned: the number of people in a family does not remain the same. The number of people in a family may change due to marriage, birth, death, and migration. As we migrate, we see the diversity in our country. We get to see the variety in festivals, food items, customs, and traditions. Just as our family changes, so do the other families in our neighborhood. Because of the help we offer each other, our relations with our neighbors become friendly. Friendly and harmonious relations make for joyful community life. Thank you.